Hi Deepa.
Hello, Kriti. How are you?
Yeah, I am buzzing with positive vibes. Thank you for asking. How about you?
I'm also feeling very happy, exuberant because I got to know I'm going to connect with Kriti.
Yeah, I am also delighted to connect with you.
Yeah, it's our first conversation, right? For fighting.
Yes, yes.
How are
So,
you?
shall you introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. My name is Deepa Upadhyay Pathak. Basically, I am from Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, but currently I live in Ghaziabad. I am a mother of two kids. And if I talk about my education, so I have done my PG in education, B.Ed as well as NTT. In addition, I have cracked UPTET and CTET examination. Apart from this, I have completed a course which is related to neuroscience. It's called NLP, uh, Neuro Linguistic Program. That's all about me.
Nice to hear you. So, let me introduce myself because we know it to each other, but sake of audience, I have to introduce myself. So my name is Kirti. Basically, I hail from Bihar, but currently I live in Bangalore. I am a homemaker as well as mother of one kid. Apart from this, I have done my bachelor in commerce, and this year I enrolled myself to for MBA. And moreover, I have also lots of hobbies, but nowadays I dedicated my time to learn this language. Apart from this, I am running my YouTube channel. My channel name is Learn English with Kirti. If I consider myself, I am a vivacious and magnanimous person, and that's pretty much about me.
That's great. I think you have already used lots of things in your introduction, so I'm very excited and curious to talk with you. Let's move forward.
Yeah. So let's break the ice.
Sure, I am the
Okay,
guest.
so what does a healthy relationship mean to you?
In my opinion, healthy relationship means respect, love, care, affection. If both, because I consider a relationship is two to tango. It's not we cannot carry our relation alone for a
True.
very long. So, in relation, for in my opinion, we should try to give respect, love, and care towards our all the relationship with which relationship you want to be strong. You want to make a strong. And if I talk about like a relationship between our life partner, it would be more like it would be more important for us. Try to understand their situation, their feelings. Sometimes we used to say love you or try we used to we tend to show our love, but behind we are not giving a respect, enough respect. So in my case, if you are ready to give respect towards your partner, then I think loves come behind the respect.
Yes.
My opinion, I would say respect is more important than love.
Yeah. So yeah, definitely, I totally agree with you. Means, if you are in any relationship, so we should build a trust and care, everything. We cannot deny, and we should always try to give respect also, because yeah, I means every person shows their love, and nowadays because of social media they try to means everything, they have to send message to other person, we are in a good relationship and we are happily living. So definitely we that is not a good relationship. We always try to give respect, love, and we try to understand to each other.
It's very
And And I think communication is also more important in
Exactly.
relationship.
Communication, I consider communication is the heart of our relationship, right?
Yes.
If you are facing
Yes.
something, try to spell the bills between us, and try to understand what would be best option for this problem, or what would be best solution for particular things is very important.
Yes.
And sometimes if we our communication is not very much strong, so maybe it could be tend to be a misunderstanding. So we can clear the air through communication. So communications plays a significant role in every relationships, I would say.
Yeah, not even in husband wife. I think even in our parents, means daughter and sons, that relationship is also need to communication, because without communicating how to know to each other and how to understand their feelings also.
Exactly. On these days, I'm seeing people, I don't know what is the reason behind it. Maybe it could be pressure of their families member, and without thinking, without second thought, they got not to together, right?
Yes.
So they tie a knot without thinking, because it's long life journey. We are not just playing a small game, right? We are going to
Yes.
spend our whole life with someone. So before making the decision, try to understand if a person you like, try to talk and try to clear that person is perfect for you, then try to go with the forward. Otherwise, try to understand, because it's very important these days. People are, I think that is the reason divorce is increasing in our India. It is
Yes.
not our Indian culture, I would say. It comes from our Western culture. It comes in our India from Western culture and everyone. But in my case, divorce is, it could be a better option. But if you are not, if you have tried your like your you have already put your heart and soul to make them relationship smooth or happy, but still if you both are not happy with together, so it's try, then you can drift apart. but before that,
Yes.
try to give a shot. It's very important, right?
Yes. Yeah, I agree with you. Means, I think from my experience, actually, means nowadays, what is happening because of we don't want to communicate to each other. We don't want to share everything. So, in my experience, I have faced that thing also, because means whatever you are feeling, so you have to share to your partner also.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay, so how do you show love and care to others?
Riti, I firmly believe that action speaks louder than word. In my
Yes.
case, I tend to show my love uh, with action, not only words. Okay, I'm very caring wife, mother, or daughter-in-law. Whenever I go, whenever I went to meet my in-laws, so I put lots of effort to make them happy and comfort,
Yes.
because I know it's my responsibility. And it's not only Kriti, it's not about talking about relationship. I believe that if you are uh, how to say curious to help others also.
Yes.
Where I am living right now, in my building, like there's people come there, for for garbage men always come there. So they, if they need something, water, tea, anything, you won't believe, they only ask to me, Didi, I want a cup of tea. Would you like to make tea for me? So I always feel very happy. I always call them with
Yes.
respect. Call their name with respect, because I cannot say that, hey, come here and take my garbage. Why you are like living here and there? So because being a human, it could be our responsibility to give respect. That's how we are getting respect. Whenever I come
Yes.
go down, they, when we meet anywhere, they always greeting me. hello Didi, namaste, how are you? That is the reason. So that kind of things
Yeah, this
is
is,
our personal thing.
this is the give and take,
Give and
uh,
take,
give and
exactly.
take. Yeah, because not only in relationship, yeah, you are saying right, means other people's we should try to give love, and this is the we should always try to show our small gesture to other people also, because um, they are also working to us actually, so why not we have to serve them also. Yeah, so that is the more important, and not only giving, take care and all everything, small gesture is also matter,
Exactly.
showing love and care.
Exactly. But I can say I'm quite a different person. I don't need any a small gesture or gift. For me, if you are always stand behind me in my every thick and thin, so through my thick and thin, so I am very happy because that
Yeah.
I think that decision make me help me to understand a true what is a true relationship. Otherwise these they are just they are taking relationship, they are just formality, right? And
Yes.
they are behaving like every relationship breadcrumbing, right? But
Yeah, nowadays people are doing breadcrumbing, means they
not
have to
so
show their love and care, but they have a mean, they want to do anything from you also. That's why people are serving you and helping you.
But one thing I have changed recently, Kriti, I believe that on my karma, not others. Because all the time we cannot accept whatever. If I am loving you, if I am taking care of you, so you have to also give me same thing.
Give me.
It's not possible.
Yes.
It's not possible. But if you want to feel happy, if you want to feel content, if you want to feel like a, how to say that, a pure, you want to feel you are pure, so try to think about only giving, not taking, because in this
Yeah,
way
because
it's not possible.
without, if you are doing without expectation to other people,
Yeah,
so that feeling is different.
exactly, don't accept anything to, exactly.
Yeah. Yeah, so okay, so what do you think is the secret to a long lasting relationship?
Secret to respect, trust, I already share here, and try to understand others feelings, right? Give some time.
Yes.
Sometimes we don't need to support, sometimes we need only people try to understand, try to listen, right? Silently
Yes.
what I want to share with you. I think it's enough for me. Sometimes it would be enough for me if I'm feeling frustrated or overwhelmed. So I just keep trying to speak with my husband. These day I'm feeling this and that, and you won't believe, like Kriti, he never like interrupt between. Whenever I would be in flow, he always keep, I mean,
Yes.
try to understand. If he has something some solution, he definitely gives me. Otherwise he told he tend to told me, I think you know very well what is like very important for you. Focus on that thing and leave all the other thing which is not important for you or for our life.
Yeah, because if you are understanding to your partner, and and that time, we feel okay, someone is are behind to us, and that time means any situation come, and sometimes it's happened to, I think, every person. They wants other people also who take care you and who understand you, means if you are in not in good mood, that time also people will understand you, and if you are feeling happy also, so that time people will understand you. So I think that is the long lasting, I think, relationship, I would say. And other thing, we always, means if anything happen between to our partner or anyone, So we don't boil the ocean, just be calm ourselves and we keep patience inside and just try to understand the people also.
Exactly. That's why communication is I told you, is a heart of our relationship. So I think I believe, so I believe that that is the reason I believe that 92% or 90% above the 90% you can solve your problem through communication.
Communicate, yes. Yeah, because that is the essential part of our relationship, because without communication, how to understand to each other.
Exactly. In my in my case, I get very like angry very easily. I start
Yeah,
screaming sometime. I start because sometime I could not take a proper sleep, and whole the day just my responsibility keep me on my toe, and you cannot lie for a 30 minute on the bed. So that situation, it after 3 to 4 days I feel like frustrated and wiped out. No, I need to some rest. So that is the reason every Saturday I decided to give a small responsibility to my husband, to take care of my kids for 30 minutes or 1.5 hour. That's how I recharge my battery. Then I like bounce back. Okay, now I'm ready.
yeah, because sometimes we need time for ourselves also, because every time we are not living in the roller coaster.
Exactly. But I think being a mother or a homemaker is happened with everyone.
Yes.
We are
And
putting.
do you think nowadays, means in this generation, they means people means they, how to trust them, the people actually, because they are showing their love, affection, everything, and you truly believe them, but I don't know what is going on inside the people, so how do we trust on that?
That is the reason I told you. I believe that action speaks louder than word. You can understand. You can read the you can read between the line, right? I'm using correct. Yeah, you can read how to say between the line.
We should read the we should read the room, yeah, we should make a line between
No,
uh,
we can read between the line. Is it correct? I think so. Yeah.
yes,
So means ki according to their action, how they are treating you, they are giving you respect or not, they are taking care of your emotions or not. If they are,
yes,
it means you are in a true relationship. What I understand, like till now. But
but
someone will speak, they are just how to say buttering, right? They are
yes,
showing like I love you a lot, you are my loved one, this and that. But whenever you need their support, they disappear. Right?
yes,
That is the
because
reason these day, that is the reason these day I think our relationship is banished into thin air.
yes, no, because nowadays you can see that what is happening outside, we can't believe on the people extremely, because if you are giving heart and soul everything, and people will not support you, yeah, means that means if you are in any daunting situation, they will not stand for you. So how can we trust the people, because that is not reliable for us. And and sometimes we should means sometimes I always see to myself also, means if people are not helping you or not uh, means sometimes people will ignore you, right? If you
Exactly.
are doing everything to other people, and they will ignore you, so that time it's hurt to you. So how should make a distance from them?
I think these days it's common to people showing their cold shoulder to I think
Yes,
in many relationships, and when they need your support, then they things like when I make a call to Deepa, definitely he will sorry she will come here and she support me. And it's happening right now. It's happening because I. That's why reason don't accept anything. Whatever if you want to give something, just give and leave on the God. That is, I believe
Yes.
that. But that relationship making you hurt, that relationship they are using some harsh word towards you, or abusing word or foul word, their action also hurting you. So it's a high time to make a a healthy boundary. Set a healthy boundary and be carefully and careful and clear. If you are talking like this with me further in the life, I'm not going to talk to you. And these, even it's happening right now, it's happening with me also. So
Yeah.
I sometime I ignore their call, sometime I behave very strictly. If you are going to talk with me like this, so maybe I would not be there ever.
But how it is possible to give the cold soda to other people, because it is a very difficult.
No, just ignore. You have to learn this quality. Why I'm saying uh, considering these things a good quality, because sometimes is very important for our peaceful life, our peaceful mind. Because no one here to take care of our mind, our health, our feeling. Who could be who could be responsible for this? Only we, only I. So it's my responsibility. If they asking why you are behaving like this, just clear: I don't like your behavior. I don't like your talking, the way you talk with me. That is the reason.
Yeah, it is.
If you want to continue this relationship, so be careful. Otherwise, I cannot uh, bear your negative behavior all the time, nasty behavior.
Because means I have seen in my society also, means uh, I am happily ready to give everything, but people will ignore you, so definitely it's hurt you, means it's goes under our skin, right?
Ex- Exactly, exactly. But you have to train your mind, Preeti. How I train my mind, I will show you. It's been, I think, more than 3 years, and still I am training how to be happy. Okay, there behind it lots of technique you can apply on that, because being an LPR, I have learned lots of things, how to handle situation and how to talk. But how you can say, first thing, just decide you want to help them or not.
Yes.
You want to help them or not, but don't accept anything. Just go and do, and just come back. Don't think if I help them, so definitely one day if I need something, definitely they will come. No. And same thing
I
I
think
like.
we should not expect anything to other people. Just uh, whatever you are doing, just you think you are doing help to other, so don't expect to other people they will come and help you.
Definitely.
Just you are feeling happy to serve them, so definitely you try to help them, otherwise just you ignore that.
Being a human, that is the reason I always put be human being relationship always on the top. Because if you
Yes.
are literally a pure soul, if you are literally a good human being, so you will always ready to help others, you will always ready to understand other situation. And otherwise every
Yes.
relationship is for me, it's I think not very much important for me. Because these day people, they just imposing their thought, imposing their relationship. I am your this, I am your that, you have to fulfill our desire. How I can all the time, I'm also a man. So that is the reason I always put one line: if you are try to be a first fight, try to be a good human being. Okay, how could be you
Yes.
behave like this badly with others, and you are expecting I will respect you all the time? No, it's not going on. It not will
Yeah,
happen.
it is. Yes.
Sometimes
So
we have to
yeah,
raise, sometimes we have to raise our voice. Is very is very important. Don't be a doormat of others.
yeah, because in some relationship we need, actually we have to raise our voice, because without raising our voice people will not understand you. They
Ex-
will always try to put yourself down.
Exactly. They have like a mentality to pull your leg. But if you are
And
now you understand
if you
very
are
clearly.
if you are in means if you are talking about the other relationship, means if you are giving heart and soul and people will seeing watching you, means you are giving your 100%, and that time they will try to give more and more burden to for you also. They
Exactly.
will not understand, they are also means tired, they are also frustrating about they are doing their self. So we should try to give them help also, rather than they try to keep the burden on you.
And one thing I have read somewhere, I am not able to recall that. If you cheated by someone once, it's their mistake. But if you cheated
Yes.
by second, it would be your like it would be your responsibility, not there, right?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, and I think nowadays we should try to make a line between our relationship, because that is the more important.
Yeah, healthy boundaries are,
Because
I think, very important in every relationship, right?
yes,
Don't cross your line because it's very important to understand. People, when they get angry, they can like behave like anything. Then later they realize whatever I have done, it was wrong, right?
yeah, yes, definitely. And I think I if I would like to tell about the husband wife relationship nowadays, yeah, means divorce cases raising because of I think people don't have a time to connect with means people,
Ex-
right? They are living in the one room but they are not talking.
They
So
are
that
busy
is
in
the reason.
social
And
media.
yeah, and nowadays I think they are living in their own bubbles. That is the another reason, I think. And they don't
Exactly.
want to interrupt the other people's.
Yeah, but I want to share one thing here. When I was child or before marriage, I used to think if we get married with someone, so I was thinking we can solve any problem um, that I already shared. 90% at least the problem we can solve. We can clear the air through communication. But sometimes if your partner or anyone he or she don't want to doesn't want to live with you, right? In
Yes.
that
So
case,
how can
that case is better to leave them, right?
I think sometimes we need the distance also in relationship.
Exactly. And sometimes distance make us realize.
Yes. Then people will understand the importance of that person.
Exactly. But it's happened very rarely, I would say. Not all the time.
Because
It
in
depends your
nowadays,
relationship, how your relationship is very like a deep, or I would so
yes,
say like a pure. Otherwise, people not going to like even take a accountability, right?
yes. Yeah, so actually means I learned from my relationship, actually communication is a more important part of our relationship, because that is means whatever you are feeling, just you try to share them. Otherwise, he will also not understand you.
Exactly. But I would say I'm very good at sharing my thought with my husband.
So it's depend on the person to person. We can't means say to other person also, because their perspective is different, their
Exactly.
mindset is different, right?
Exactly. But if you want to do something, in that case, so I think in my case, I don't want to hide anything from my partner. Whatever I want to do, whatever I have done. if I feel I should share with him, so definitely I share with him. No
I
matter.
think, when you are starting your relationship, from that time you have to make a trust. You try to build a trust between your partners, then your relationship will go long.
Exactly. Trust is you can consider like a water.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have any
These
other
days,
questions?
I think these days, people also one thing I want to like here add one thing. Like sometimes people will like consider a relationship like a plant. Like similarly, like when we cannot grow a plant with the help of milk, a plant need only water. It can grow with
Yes.
help of water, not with help of milk. Similarly, a relationship, you cannot make a strong relationship or grow your relationship with money or gift or things. For relationship, I think pure things is your trust, respect, care, and love. Four thing is very
Yeah,
important.
because yeah, that thing is the most more important, because uh, means gift, and that money is the not how to say, buy our happiness.
Happiness, exactly. It can fulfill
Because
our desire.
if you have a money, and means you are living in relationship, and your partner has a money, so and they don't have a time, so how that time you are not feeling good, right? You are not happy in that relationship, because they don't have a time to spend with you.
Exactly, and that's how Kriti. I think people still they are. I think confused. They are on the fence. If we like put lots of money in any relationship, so everyone will come and they will talk me. But what about your
Yeah,
behavior?
that is, that is the conundrum actually, because that is
Exactly.
not a true means. If you are living in a relationship, so definitely you have to give your time, not your money. Money is the means, I will say, keep side, and you have to spend time, and uh, that is the more important, Deepa. Means if you want to live happy to each other, means if you want to give happy to other person also, so just we should try to understand their feelings. That is the important, and money is not a matter to the relationship actually.
Yeah, I think it depends person to person. Someone need money. Their relationship depend on money only. And but
Yes,
someone's relationship
but
depend
bec-
on.
but nowadays people are running behind the money also. They think they should means they will buy everything from money,
You
but
know, I'm not
over
denying
the
that money is not important. Money is very important to like be find a luxurious life, live a luxurious life, or you're in a comfort. But the relationship needs your affection, your care, your love, your trust. Not so, all the time. Money cannot fulfill. And if you are not able to understand from pandemic situation what that already taught us, but still people they are just living like blindly they are living. So before like lots of water pass under the bridge, try to understand what is very
yes,
important for your relationship and try to put, otherwise it would be like vanish in the thin air, and at the end
yeah,
you are not going to find anything, you have to come back from empty hand.
yes, it is a true.
Exactly.
Do you have any question?
I have question, I want to ask something. Let's do
Yeah.
something related to idiom. You are ready?
Oh, yes.
Okay, read the room.
We should try to understand the situation, then we have to give our opinion.
Full of beans.
Full of wins means very excited, full of energy.
Right now we are feeling. I think full of
Full
beans.
of beans, right?
Fire in the
Yeah,
belly.
because you, sorry,
Fire in the belly.
means you are eager to learn anything, right?
Strong passion, we can say. That we
Yes.
are doing these days. We are learning this language.
I think nowadays, I think what whoever will, means I have connected with whoever they are have a fire in the belly, so that is the reason people are learning this language.
Exactly. So I think we are running out of the time. Shall we wrap up
Mm.
the session?
Okay.
Thank you
So
so
nice to
much,
talk with
Kriti.
you, Deepa, and
Mhm.
yeah. So I enjoy a lot this session because I think this topic we should try to discuss because I will not compare to other people because every relationship is different, right? And every person has a different perspective also.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Kriti, for giving
Yeah.
me
Bye.
opportunity to share a screen with you.
Yeah. Thank you so much to come on my channel. So it is my pleasure.
Okay, bye. Take care.
Bye bye. Have
Yes,
a nice day.
same to you.